Hi, welcome to this series of micro mind shift habit to make you new you before you turn the calendar from 2025 to 2026. Today, I want to ask you one question on joy audit. Have you done this joy audit? Friends, when life pulls us in every direction, our mind becomes busy crossroads. Imagine thoughts racing like cars at a rush hour. Today is a green light. It's your signal to slow down. Check the map and choose a new route. You heard me right. I said check the map and choose a new route. Well, hi, I'm Luminary Coach Charanjit Ved NLP. So if you have not heard me earlier, so join me this on this long drive, which will make a micro shifts in your day-to-day life and make you new you. Well, what happens when your routines feel like old boots pinching your feet? Just ask yourself if today felt like deja vu. What could change for tomorrow to shine brighter? Yes, you heard me right. They say when life gives you lemon, make lemonades. Let's add a dash of zest to your self discovery today. Picture your ambitions as seeds buried under the yesterday's leaf. The sky is the limit if you water those seeds with bold questions. When you hit a wall, do you dig your heels in or look for a door? How do you react when the wind changes? Remember, every storm is a chance to dance in the rain, not hide from it. Here's your question for today. When setbacks knocks at your door, what's the story you tell to yourself? Is it no pain, no gain? You heard me right. As they say, reading is to the mind as exercise is to the body. Today, when frustration flares, jot down the lesson instead of the mistake. What grows when you shift focus from problem solving to possibility? Find a quiet spot today for just 5 minutes. Write down one point where you are stuck with your thoughts. Sometimes, just like a spider web blocking your path. Now spin a new thread towards it. Replace that sticky thought with an uplifting phrase. I am the captain of my ship, not a castaway in the storm. You heard me right. I am the captain of my ship, not a castaway in the storm. Well, small steps repeatedly daily become a big wins. Remember later becomes never, so seize this moment now. And as you choose the place and write, you will see that your mind shifts from not now to now, and every not now to now takes you to a joyride. This mind shift is a journey, not just a pit stop. I would like to share a word from you as your discovery today in the comments. And I will invite you and your friends to join this tomorrow's adventure. Let's keep the curiosity alive. Just like birds flying together, we rise higher as a flock, not alone. So I'm sure you would be there with me tomorrow, and this video aligns with you to do your joy audit. So I would like to watch your story to take this flight, spread your wings, and see you tomorrow. Keeping the curiosity alive for tomorrow, and make your friends join this journey, a long drive of mind shift habits. So there is a micro shift, there is a micro shift, mind shift habit. And together we will fly to make new you. And they say you are not alone in this journey. We are all passengers of one flight. Maybe our goals and visions are different, but we can make a collective vision board to make us a new you. See ya.